just wanted to remind myself and remind you in conclusion of the khutbah that it was a sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Shaban to remind the people of the fadail and virtues of Ramadan, and in some hadith that on the last Jummah of Shaban, like today, he reminded the people of the virtues of Ramadan, and I wanted to follow that sunnah and remind myself, remind you, remind all our viewers worldwide on Alhikmat TV. Let us make a change this Ramadan. Don't let it be the same thing. Yes, I know we fast and we know to stay away from food and we know to eat a lot of food in the evening, but a lot of us don't know how to control this tongue. Practice that hadith. Inni sa'im, I am fasting. Please, I'm fasting. Just keep it like that. Your wife tries to tell you something to aggravate you, I'm fasting. You try to tell her something, let her tell you I'm fasting. Let it be everybody, employers, employees, do that. You have a boss that is very arrogant, bad attitude, he talks to you bad, you be nice. Say, sir, I'm fasting. MashaAllah. And again, don't tell him I'll deal with you after Ramadan. I'm fasting. Please. And let that iman build that after Ramadan, he would have seen how your fasting benefited us. And we became a better human being.